quick review time. Today we're looking at Cargo Collective, the creative website builder known for sleek templates and design flexibility. But is it practical in 2025? Let's find out. Quick disclaimer, this is based on personal opinion and research, not sponsored. Cargo shines when it comes to template design. They offer visually bold, modern layout aimed at artists, designers, and creative professionals. The platform supports custom HTML, or CSS editing, and Cargo 3 add features like responsive grids, galleries, and even e-commerce tools. As of 2025, pricing starts as $14 per month for basic personal sites and around $19 per month for pro level cut for and $19 per month for pro level features including custom domains, expanded storage, and advanced design controls. On Reddit, some users say they enjoy using Cargo, praising its unique templates and e-commerce support, but it's not all sunshine. Other users, especially long-timers, report serious frustrations such as poor mobile performance, steep learning curve, fragile CMS or editing, which means editing mistakes can delete pages, and most notably, terrible customer support. Trustpilot ratings are rough too, 2.2 stars. Common complaints include support ignoring actual questions, pointing users to generic help pages, and an overall feeling that the company doesn't care, even from users who've been paying for a decade. Cargo Collective is great if you're a designer who values aesthetic above all and has the patience to learn its quirks. But for most people, especially beginners or anyone who needs reliable mobile support and fast help, it's not the best choice in 2025. There are easier, more responsive builders out there. Tried Cargo? Drop your thoughts below. Like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews. See you in the next one.